Welcome to Now Vauxhall. Here today we have a Vauxhall CASCADA convertible, 1.4 turbo SE, start-stop 3-door, fitted with a 6-speed transmission, finished in asteroid grey. This car was registered April 2013 and as you can see is on the 13 plate. This car has a warranted mileage of 15,752 miles, is in insurance group 20E and has a CO2 figure of 148, which equates to a road fund licence fee of £150 annually. It's fitted with daytime running lights to improve safety. Comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, is fitted with colour-keyed heated electric door mirrors. Colour-keyed door handles are standard, along with remote central locking and alarm system. Comes with a high-level rear brake light and tailgate wash wipe, along with rear parking sensors. A large boot area with a convenience light and 50/50 folding rear seats. Just to confirm the mileage, 15,752 miles. A roomy passenger compartment with Isofix fitting for easy fitting child seats plus 2 rear seat belts. Mat pockets also aid storage space for rear passengers. Standard features include front and rear electric windows, cruise control and speed limiter, DAB radio with CD player, air conditioning, USB and auxiliary point. Electric handbrake is also standard. So lots of features to make the drive even more enjoyable. This is a now approved vehicle and comes fully serviced and ready to go with a 3-month comprehensive warranty. This concludes the presentation on the Vauxhall CASCADA. You can reserve this vehicle online with a £100 no quibble deposit or call our internet sales team to arrange a convenient appointment. If you are thinking of finance, we are confident we can beat any high street lender with our flexible dealer funding plans. Thank you for visiting Now Vauxhall.